Hi guys! So in today's video we're going to make something that I love to get anytime I go to P.F. Chang's. We're going to be making a Copycat recipe of their chicken lettuce wraps. For this recipe you're going to need some minced garlic, some finely chopped basil, some water chestnuts that's been drained and chopped. You can make it with ground chicken, or if you can't find ground chicken you can take some chicken breast and cut it up into tiny little pieces. Now for the sauce, you're going to need some sriracha, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce, a little bit of ground ginger, some teriyaki sauce, and a little bit of soy sauce. You're also going to need some cornstarch and sesame oil. Now the first thing I'm going to do is get this sauce together. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients for the sauce in a small bowl. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our chicken. You're going to start off by putting a little bit of sesame oil to your skillet. When your chicken's cooking, you want to make sure you're chopping it up because you want the pieces to be tiny and bite-sized because we're serving it on lettuce. Now I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken up just a bit. I added some onion powder and some black pepper. That was it, because the sauce is nice and flavorful, but I just hated to see that just plain chicken. I need to add a little bit of color. So next I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic and my basil. And we're going to let that continue to cook for a couple of minutes. You don't want to cook it on too high of a heat because you don't want your garlic to burn. Now here is where I messed up. I went backwards. The next step would be you adding in your sauce and then your water chestnuts, because the whole reason you're adding your water chestnuts is to get that crunch that's in there. So you want to go ahead and add your sauce first and then your water chestnuts. You're going to add your sauce and let it cook for about a minute or so, and then add your water chestnuts right before you turn it off. And that's it, you guys. This stuff tastes exactly like P.F. Chang's. If you don't want to eat it on lettuce, you can eat it on top of some steamed white rice. Yum!